Want to sync your files to the cloud and access them anywhere? In this quick video, I will show you how to use Google Drive for desktop. Make sure you like and subscribe ITPK, so let's get started. To download Google Drive, just open up any browser and type download Google Drive. Just go to the first link. Here you will get an option download Google Drive for your desktop. Let's go ahead and download it for our computer. That is fine. I want to save it on the desktop. Until it's downloading, let's see more quick ways to download Google Drive. If you're logged in with your email into a browser, you could just go ahead and type drive.google.com. This will take you to the Drive page. Here you will see an option Get Drive for Desktop. To download it, just click on this download button. Again, if you are signed into your email, here is the next quick method to download Google Drive. If you click on Setting or Gear icon, you will find an option Get Drive for Desktop. This will take you directly to the same download page. And here is the option to download Drive for your desktop. Okay, so after watching multiple methods to download Drive on our desktop, let's go for the installation. We have two options here that add an application shortcut to your desktop, add desktop shortcuts to Google Docs, Sheets, and the slide. That's fine. Let's install it quickly. Perfect. Let's get started. The first thing here, we have to sign in with our Gmail account to connect and sync Google Drive to our computer or desktop. Okay, after successful sign up, Google Drive will ask you to sync the folder. If you want to sync desktop, documents, or a download, or if there is any other folder you want to sync, just go ahead and add that folder. For now, I will skip it because later on I could go ahead and select the folder I want to sync. Drive will automatically sync your edit and photos will treat edit as a new file. Now in the next option, our file will be appear here in our computer. Like you can see, I got an extra drive that is Google Drive added to my laptop perfectly. And here, let's go ahead and select Open Explorer to see files. This will open the same folder. Click Next and open Drive. Now here I got a Drive option and this is getting synced all the time. So I will not lose any file that is synced to Google Drive, even if I lost my laptop, because these files are getting synced to the cloud automatically. That's it. Now you know how to use Google Drive for your desktop or PC. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more useful and informational tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.